welcome to Guitar Lesson 1 for Kids. Let's jump straight in. We are having fun today. Let's jump straight in to today's tutorial. So whether you're watching this tutorial and have a guitar or not, there's going to be something you can learn here. So remember to watch this video to the end, because there's going to be lots and lots of fun stuff along the way. How many strings do you think a guitar has? Correct, there are 6 strings. And the way that we number the strings is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, well done. Well, we know that a string has a number, but it also has a letter. So let's learn what the letters of each string are. And we have a cool little sentence for that. Elephants and donkeys grow big ears. So we have E, A, D, G, B, and E. Brilliant. Okay, so we have 2 different ways we pluck the strings on the guitar. We can use our fingers and thumb, but also we can use a guitar pick. So I'm going to be showing you both ways. Okay, so we're going to start off using the guitar pick, and I'm going to show you how to play a basic arpeggio. So what we want to do is to make sure we're holding the pick between our thumb and finger, like so. And the pointy part of the pick is facing the sound hole, which is this big hole in the guitar here. What we're going to do next is to wiggle our fingers like this, the remaining fingers, and we're going to rest them on the front of the guitar, like so. And next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pluck the 3rd string, the 2nd string, and the 1st string, and we're going to go down towards the floor. So follow along with me. So we're going to go 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's keep it going. If I'm going a little fast, you can go slow if you need to. Just remember just to follow along with me. If you want to come and learn, I, David, are going to be here each week to help you overcome the initial struggles of learning how to play the guitar, so you can feel a sense of pride, joy and confidence, and have admiration from all those around you. If you are having fun today, consider giving us a like and subscribing to the channel. This will help me to make future videos for you. And remember to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Brilliant, so that is what we call an arpeggio. So now let's move on to plucking the strings using our fingers. Okay, here we go. So the way that we letter our fingers is that the thumb is P, the index finger, this one is I, the middle finger is M, and the ring finger is A. Again, just follow along with me. So we're going to rest our thumb on the 6th string like this. And then we're going to take the index finger and we're going to pluck the 3rd string just like this. And then our middle finger is going to pluck the 2nd string, and then the A finger is going to pluck the 1st string, like that. Let's try that together. Here we go. Okay, and we're going to pluck the previous picking pattern that we did on the arpeggio using the pick. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, 2, and remember, try and keep your thumb on the 6th string like this. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. And just remember, when we're practicing and learning on the guitar, we have to do it many times to get incredibly good at it. So here's a song that uses finger picking. This part of the guitar is called the neck. And then we have the fretboard here. And this is where the guitarist pushes the strings down to get all the different sounds. Okay, are you ready to do some playing now? Okay, so what I'd like for you to do is just to follow along with me. And here we go. Let's show you how you use your thumb. So what we're going to do this time is we're going to take the fingers and we're going to rest them on the front of the strings like so. Now our thumb is used for playing the 6th, the 5th and the 4th string. So we're going to start off on the 6th string and we're going to be using the tip of the thumb to pluck the strings. So we're going to push through towards the floor like this, and then we're going to draw some big circles with the thumb. Again, just follow along with me. There we go. So once we've practiced it on the 6th string, we can then move on to the 5th string. So now I'm drawing circles on the 5th string. Whoops daisy, here we go. And then I'm going to practice on the 4th string. So drawing big circles and just using the tip of the thumb to pluck the strings. Okay, so now let's try using the thumb and fingers. So what we're going to do here is we're going to pluck the 6th string with the thumb, and then we're going to use the fingers again. So the strings are 6, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, and back to the 6th string. And just making sure you're using the correct fingers on the 3rd, 2nd and 1st string, just like we did in the previous exercise. Excellent, you're doing incredibly well. So pause the video, go and practice that, and join me in a moment where I'm going to show you how to play some basic chords. See you there. So next, we're going to take our left hand and we're going to place the thumb behind the neck, and the thumb is going to be pointing upwards and the pad of the thumb sits on the neck. And our fingers are numbered like this. The finger I'm wiggling now is finger 1, and then finger 2, finger 3 and finger 4. So we're going to take finger 3 and we're going to push down on string 1 at fret 1. So we just got to make sure that when we push down, we're using the fingertip and we're tucking up behind the fret, and that will make us less buzzy. And we're going to push the string down until it touches the fretboard behind, and we're going to keep the string pinned to the fretboard. Then we're going to take either our pick or our thumb, and we're just going to strum 3 strings like this. So if we're sounding a little bit buzzy, you want to try to just push down a little bit more like so. You're doing incredibly well. Now this is what we call a chord of G. So this is your first chord. Okay, let's try a second chord. Are you ready? Okay, now we're going to keep the thumb on the neck. We're going to wiggle our first finger, and we're going to push down at the 1st fret on string 1. Okay, Very same thing. We're using the fingertip, tucking up behind the metal strip, which is the fret, and pushing down. And we're going to do some more down strums like this. Brilliant. Pushing the string down to the fretboard. Brilliant. Now let's see if you can change back to the chord of G. And then back to this one, which is G7. Brilliant. Then we can also lift the finger off and keep strumming, and that is a chord of E minor. So those are 3 chords today. I really hoped you enjoyed your first guitar lesson. This is exactly what I teach my beginner students, the children who first come in with their guitars and just feel really excited to play. Get them playing some picking and some arpeggios, some strumming and chords. Please join me in some future videos where I can teach you songs as well, so please check out some more videos on my channel. It's been a pleasure today teaching you, and I hope you had lots of fun. Have you ever wanted to take a fun challenge? Well, I have this book called Guitar Star in 30 Days, which is for children and not grown-ups, where I teach you from knowing nothing about guitar to achieving 8 songs. Wow! So if you like colouring, you like daily challenges, and you like certificates, then you can find your copy of this book in the description. I'd like to show my appreciation for you being here today and making this commitment to your guitar success. And I really admire and appreciate that. That's what's going to make you great at guitar. So please go and check out some of my other videos where you can learn songs, skills, and a whole lot more. I'm David, and I look forward to seeing you soon.